Lordy. I always start these videos off with some weird ass noise. I don't know why. But I pretty well just been doing just Jeep things, more or less. Just went on like a 3-day bender. I got lost in the hills. I found my way out though, obviously. Trying to think. Really, I don't know if there's much of an update on anything. I know that, let's see, almost all my fish bait that I had just done, kindly let it sit outside for like 3 days. So it's either going to be really good and stinky and catfish are going to love it, or it's going to be just hell on me. I don't know yet. I really don't. But it'll be interesting. And I found a new spot in the river that I want to go try, but at the same time I don't know, because I wasn't sure if many people went there. It's an old, it's like literally down solo, it's not even funny, but it's an old boat ramp, and I drive all the way down to the water. I can turn my Jeep around and just sit in the back. Is what it is. But as I was leaving, there was people like showing up, so I'm not too sure about it. Which I might still try it. I don't like poaching people, I guess. I don't know. Just if I see somebody fishing at a spot somewhere, or like at the little lakes or something, I'll try to go like way around them, avoid them. That, and I don't talk to cameras around people, because boy, oh boy, there's not a whole lot that does it in my area, but there's a whole lot of people that do it in general, because it seems like everybody and their brother just is trying to do YouTube, trying to get famous, all that good stuff. But I don't remember what I was ranting about. I really don't. The boat ramp. I think I'll try it tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. I was going to try it today, but I was arguing with Frontier for ever, and they swear there's an outage, but there's not. It's just my house. I don't understand them. I don't. But I'll hopefully end up doing like a video. I found just about everything I need. A video on turning this into like a sleeper Jeep, camp Jeep, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm in like SWJ group on Facebook. I love everybody's ideas. I'm just not rich as everybody's ideas. They've got, the floating beds and storage, and no. I want to either go to like a pay lake, or like a big race event, or burnout competition, or hell, demolition derby, just anything at all. And nowadays, most events last till way into the night, and a lot of times I just don't feel like driving back from races or anything like that. So I was just going to put stuff here, like fold the seat down, take it out, whatever you got to do. I don't know. I looked at it all over Facebook, but whatever you got to do, I'm going to have to do that. And just put like a little bed there. It's not the worst idea, because let's be honest, if you know anything about like hotels when events are around, for some reason it's the damnedest thing if their price doesn't just triple. It's wild. I don't know. It's like a magic thing. It just coincidentally lined up. I don't know. You know what I mean? But no, that's really about all I got in the rant. Pretty sure. I mean, it's about got to be anyway. I'm almost home, but I think that's everything. The sleeper Jeep, the boat ramp. I'm gonna switch my fishing setup. I love the top water stuff. I really do, sorta. But I'm a bottom fisher and a river fisher, preferably. So I'm gonna try to change everything over to a bottom setup when I actually get in the house. Holy shit, that part of the road was rough. Okay, that was wild. But now I just want to change everything over to a nighttime, or not nighttime, which I mostly will like night fish. A bottom setup, bottom rig, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Everybody's got all these new rigs and stuff. I usually just try to keep it very, very simple. As in, like, I'm probably gonna have a sinker and a sinker slider. Maybe not a sinker slider. I don't know yet. I'm still debating that part. Let's see. You know, the swivel. You gotta have a barrel swivel, because that's just fishing now. You gotta have swivels. Leader line, and let's see. You know, your beads, your little beads, and then I'm gonna do peg float, whatever it's called. I can't remember the name of everything. It's like, what is it, like a sanity rig? Sanity? I don't know. It's a rig. I know that. I know that it do be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just different barrel. What's that? I don't even know what size, but that's pretty well just gonna be the setup. I mean, there's not much else I can do. I like just, you know, keep it simple, stupid. So I don't know. But the last time I used this, I really liked it a lot. But when I went to Pay Lakes, not the greatest at all. I mean, I still caught fish. Don't get me wrong, I did. It's just, you know, you had to do a little bit of trolling to go with it. And that fucking sucks. At least at the half-ass wannabe Pay Lake that I went to anyway. I mean, just sometimes you get good ones, sometimes you get bad ones. It is what it is. I'm missing something else. I just had 3 packages, didn't I? I don't know. If I did, I'll figure it out. Probably, maybe not. More than likely not. But, I mean, that's pretty much the idea of everything. It's just switching everything over from top water to just a basic palate bottom sanity, whatever you call it, rig, or just hell, just a basic simple, hook, swivel, sinker. There we go. Send it. Cause I'm just a simple man. I don't need 13 Carolina rigs with everything else, and I don't need to have all of these like special rigs and setups and this and that. But yeah, get my little fishing pole and that probably just fucked everything up. But yeah, I'm just gonna take everything off. Oh, that didn't happen. That did not happen. But that's about it, really. I don't think I have. I got something at Walmart the other day, I think. Stare there for just a second. What did I get? Proline. You gotta have Proline because I don't give a shit who you are. Proline's just good. Man, there was something. I got that off of eBay. Skipjack whisker lure. Georgia made. It probably works in Georgia, but it does not work where I fish. But I did get this little old fella, and when I say little, I mean like, it's a little one. But that's just because the pond that I go to, the bass are also little ones. It's gonna be a 6-aught hook, and I thought that I had barrel sinkers, but I don't. Let's see. Another thing, look, Proline right there, baby. You gotta have a Proline. If it ain't a Proline, man, it ain't no time. Damn, Corey forgot his boots in the back of my Jeep. That's his luck too. But got a little pole for the shit, for like the bluegill, bass, cut bait type of fish, more or less. And then switch rigs. Probably go down to the river, try it out. I don't know. But that's about as much of an update as I got. I'm pretty fucking awkward with all this. Still new to every bit of it, honestly. But if somehow, some reason, you watch this 14-15 minute video, like it, subscribe. If not, comment. Be like, hey, your content's shit. I don't care. I really don't. It's fun to do. Because, like I said, not a whole lot of people in the area do it. They do, but they don't. Like, everybody around me does TikToks. Oh, they love TikToks. Which I don't know if I can say that. But, as far as like vlogging, or blog, whatever you want to call this, not really, no. I mean, you got like Brandon, Mountain State. You just got like very few people, but they do mostly like just the car content side of everything. And I know that most channels are just oriented around like one little thing, like literally one specific, like this is racing, this channel is specifically fishing, this one is specifically dirt tracks. I don't know, but mine's just more of like everything. Like, just think of it like a crackhead channel, because hell, half the time I don't even know what's going to go up on it. I really don't. Like, most time I just be driving around and I'll be like, damn, I need to record that. I need a rant. Either that, or I'll just see some like crackhead activity, record it, and then get home, edit it, and be like, okay, I can't post it because it's somebody's family, even though it was very hilarious. But you know how it goes. But I guess that's the end of my rant. If you watched all the way through or any part, appreciate it. Thank you, and goodbye.